Imagine if your customer support inbox could answer itself. In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI support agent using N8N that can read your inbox and reply with smart, dynamic, personalized responses. Most businesses waste hours manually replying to the same questions over and over again. With N8N, you can automate the first line of support requests so that your agents can focus on real problems. So here's how the flow works. A new email lands in your support inbox. N8N grabs it, and an AI agent processes the request. It looks up your business's knowledge base and then instantly replies with the right answer. No request lost, no delays, just instant replies. So let's get into it. We'll start with Gmail as our trigger. So search for Gmail and then on message received. Make sure that you connect your credentials, and we'll just set it to every minute for now. So every time a new email lands in your inbox, N8N will kick off this workflow. Next, we're going to add our AI agent. So add AI agent. And then we need to process a system message just to define what their role is. So I'll just set it as, you are a helpful support assistant. Reply politely with clear, actionable answers. And as we go along, we'll actually add to this system prompt. But for now, let's just leave it like that. So the next thing that we need to do is add a chat model. I'm just going to select OpenAI and we'll use GPT 4.1 mini. So think of the chat model as the AI agent's brain. We could have used Gemini, Claude, or even Grok. This is what powers the reasoning and the thinking behind it. So really just pick whatever suits your use case. So now let's add our Google Docs tool so that our AI agent can read our company's knowledge base. So this might include things as opening hours, shipping times, and anything that is personalized towards your business's processes and policies. To do this, just click on the plus sign with the tool and we'll search for Doc. Choose the Google Docs tool. And what we're going to do is make sure you've connected your credentials. The operation should be get, and then we're going to paste our URL. Here's just an example of a knowledge base frequently asked questions, ordering and payment, shipping and delivery, returns and refunds. So what we'll do is copy this URL, go back to N8N, and then in the URL, just paste it here. This is going to allow our AI agent to read our company's policies. And if there are any emails or questions related to that, we can get the AI agent to reference the exact knowledge base. And make sure you turn simplify off. So now let's go update our system message in the AI agent so that it knows to use the Google Docs tool when it needs to find answers from our knowledge base. So it's going to be as simple as use the Google Doc tool to find answers from our company's knowledge base. Let's click on execute previous node. The reason we need to do this is so that we can reference them in our AI agent. Okay, now let's press execute previous node. This is going to give us access to the email fields that we want to pass into our AI agent. So now change the source for the prompt from connected chat trigger node to define below. We're going to type from subject email and then name. Okay, let's drag the values across. Awesome. Now, if we click on this little preview button here, you'll be able to see the result that has been dynamically populated with the actual values from the email. And click out, and we're going to add our final node to our AI agent workflow, the ability to send email replies. So click on the plus sign, search for Gmail, click on send a message, connect your credentials, and then we're going to select the Gmail trigger up the top. So scroll down and find the from address and paste that in the to. And in your subject, type RE and then find the subject. And then change the email type to text. And then add the option to append N8N attribution and turn it off. So the final thing that we're going to need to do is to actually execute our AI agent so that we can pass in the message to our Gmail email. So click out and then click on the little play button. And then go back to your sender message and drag the output from the AI agent into the message field. Now our support agent is ready to be activated. So we can see that I've sent myself an email from Sam Solutions, and the subject is order question, and the email says, "Hi there, how do I place an order? Regards Sam." And so what we're expecting is our AI agent is going to go to our knowledge base frequently asked question and find this section here. How do I place an order? So let's go back into N8N and execute this workflow and walk through it step by step to see how the AI agent answers the question. So click execute workflow, and we can see it's working, it's thinking, it's gotten the docs from the Google Docs, and it's gone ahead and sent an email. So if we double click on the Gmail trigger, we scroll all the way to the right, we can see that it was sent from Sam Solutions, and we've got the text, "Hi there, how do I place an order? Regards, Sam." We've then passed this to our AI agent, and we can see it's triggered the get a document in the Google Docs, and it's used our OpenAI chat model twice to think. If we double click on the AI agent, you'll be able to see the output. "Hi Sam, thanks for reaching out. To place an order, simply browse our products, add the items you wish to purchase into your cart, and proceed to checkout. Follow these prompts to enter your shipping and payment information. If you have any other questions or need assistance, feel free to ask. Regards, Chris." So let's go and check that against that knowledge base. And you can see here it says simply browse our products, add the items you wish to purchase to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Follow these prompts to enter your shipping and payment information. So the AI agent has found the correct passage in our knowledge base and used it to write an email response back to Sam Solutions. We go into our send a message, and you can see here we've got the ID of the email output that was sent back to Sam Solutions. And then finally you can see the actual email being responded back to Sam. So the last step here is to simply activate it, and now you have your own AI support agent running through N8N, answering all of your email questions without you having to lift a finger. So if you want this exact workflow, make sure to check out my automation vault at christorrington.com, and don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video I'll show you how to build an internal Slack AI agent that your whole team will actually use.